Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create a Gantt chart in Lucidchart, step by step. Gantt charts are perfect for planning projects, tracking tasks, and visualizing timelines. First, log into your Lucidchart account and open a new document. You can also start from a Gantt chart template to save time. Next, add a table or grid to represent your project timeline. The horizontal axis will show dates or weeks, while the vertical axis will list your tasks or project phases. Now, for each task, draw a horizontal bar that spans the start and end dates. This visually represents how long each task will take. You can also use colors to indicate task status or priority, and add text labels directly on the bars for clarity. To make it more interactive, connect tasks with dependencies using arrows or lines showing which tasks rely on others to start or finish. Finally, review your chart, adjust timelines if needed, and make sure all tasks are properly aligned. Once satisfied, you can save, export, or share your Gantt chart with your team. And that's it. Creating a clear and effective Gantt chart in Lucidchart is easy with these steps. Thanks for watching, and happy project planning!